We are on Reddit today and we have a Facebook ad strategy that makes 5K per day. So let's see if this is going to work for us. Let's see what I have to say. Let's see if this is something you should use immediately to make a lot of money. All right, this guy says you can use this strategy to make 5K a day. Facebook ads facts. 70% of people watch your ads while the sound is turned off. If you're not adding captions to your ads, then you aren't able to communicate with those people. So make sure whatever you're making a net creative, add captions to it. Amazing point. This guy makes an amazing point. If you're running ads, always make sure you add captions to your ads, because when people are browsing social media, they don't have their sound on. This means that even if you have a video ad with captions, they'll still be able to read your message and you'll be able to communicate your product and your offer. Amazing, amazing point. I think this is just amazing. This will make you at least 50K a day. But yeah, amazing point. If you're running video ads, go and check your ad account. If you want to make even more money, don't go into videos and run image ads. Very simple. Facebook ads dimensions to keep in mind. Single video ads, 4x6 single image ads, 1 story format. I'm not sure what is this. Maybe he says that you should use single video ads, you should use image ads, you should use very good image ads, like ugly ads, ugly images with amazing copy. This is what I would suggest. 80% of people don't even watch three. Okay. Let's get back here. Let's get on the ugly image ads idea for a moment. So when you go on Amazon, I'm gonna go on Amazon. I'm gonna give you the idea why you should run ugly ads. So when you go on Amazon and when you buy something, let's say you buy t-shirt for gym. T-shirt for gym. This is how the gym looks like on the photos, right? But this is something that you know that is kind of like fake, right? So it looks very cool. This guy has muscles, this guy has veins. But in order for you to make a purchasing decision, you need to go in the comments and see how it actually looks like. You need to see images. And this is what will make you purchase the shirt, right? Not the actual fancy image here, but the actual ugly image here. This is why I say that ugly image ads work. So if you want to make 5K per day, think about it. People are on social media. When you purchase something, you don't want to see the fancy stuff. You know, for example, a big chunk of the people won't be like shredded as this guy, maybe like 5 to 10% body fat, right? Most of the people want to see the actual stuff. Most of the people want to see how the t-shirt will come, how it will look like. So think about using ugly ads if you want to make 5K per day. 80% of people don't even watch 3 seconds of your ad. You need a pattern interrupt to get somebody to watch it. Example, discover this has been an absolute game changer. Example, discovering this has been an absolute game changer. Did you know? Statistic, fact. Okay, I can't believe what I did until I did this. So basically, what is this guy saying? You need to be able to hook your audience. You need a very good hook within the first 3 seconds of your ads. In some niches, this will work. In other niches, this will not work. In some niches, you need to create a very, very amazing hook. But in other niches, you just need to call out the right audience. Because the way Facebook ads work, if you're able to call out the right audience, Facebook ads algorithm will be able to get the idea of who you're targeting, and your ads will be seen by more and more people. Okay, rule number 4 is kind of like the 10 commandments by Notorious B.I.G. Rule number 4, never have more than 3 to 5 active campaigns. Never have more than 3 to 5 active ad sets in each campaign. Never have more than 3 to 5 active ads in each ad set. This rule will help you scale a lot. So basically, I kind of agree with this rule. This guy, I wanna showcase the simplicity of how things should work. So yeah, keep it simple. For some of you, it won't work, but try to get the advice of keeping things simple, right? 90% of people see your landing page on mobile. Make sure to build your landing page on mobile view first. Otherwise, you'll be wasting money redirecting people to that landing page. Whenever you build your landing page, build it mobile first. And how do you check? You open your landing page on desktop, on browser. I use Chrome in the moment, and you can click inspect. And here from this menu, you can select, let's say, i14 Pro Max. Here's how people will see. You want to make sure that's 100%. And this is how people will see your page on mobile. So for example, if your text is like too small, if people will have difficulties reading it, so make sure you optimize your page for mobile. Another thing I would mention, make sure your page loads fast. So if you go to Google and if you type page loading speed time, there is a test by Google. It's called the Page Speed Insights. So make sure you add your page here. So I'm gonna do my website, nikovelikov.com, and you wanna get your page to load very, very fast. For example, my page loads under 4 seconds, which is not the best, but it's still decent. So test your pages and make sure they're fast, because in today's day and age, people just want to scroll. They don't want to wait. The faster it loads, the better your results will have. So I get 73 performance. If I go to desktop, it'd be like 97 performance. I'm not sure why is it different, but still 73 is close to 80. So I'm still decent, decent loading time, decent loading time. The next thing I would say, this guy says people hate seeing ads. So instead, make sure your ads are fun and engaging. Add humor and memes, tell stories, make ads as you talk in real life. Even if they buy your product or not, they should feel like it was a good use of their time to watch your ads. I think this is a very good point, something I never talked about. If you have a very good experience, if you make people feel good about your brand, they're more likely to buy in the future. So using humor, telling stories, and being vulnerable on your ads will boost your conversion rate a lot. There is a good book that I think you should read. The book is called Language of Trust. Yeah, Language of Trust, and the book is all about selling your ideas to a world of skeptics, because right now if you're on social media, you know everybody is skeptical. All right. Rule number 7: once you're done creating your campaign, go through campaign ad set, UTM parameters. Even a single mistake can ruin your whole campaign. Double check everything. This is might seem like a small advice, but when you're spending a lot of money on ads, for example, messing up the URL or just the targeting, or just if you have a small mistake on your headline, on your title, could ruin your campaign, especially when you work with clients. People get annoyed a lot once they see like a spelling mistake. They'll be just like messaging you a lot. So make sure you do this. Number 8, elements that make a great ad. So this is the aspect ratio, bright lightning, compelling graphic, right text. Make your video engaging and worth viewers' time. Even if they buy your product or not, they should feel like it was a good use of their time. Number 9, never start from scratch. Use different frameworks for creating ads. Pain agitate. So here, like using a proven frameworks and like using something that works somehow, yeah, use it, but also give the campaign your own ideas. If you want to have an extremely good ad, copy and paste won't cut it, right? In many cases, it won't cut it. You need to come up with a fresh ideas. You need to come up with your own frameworks. You need to come up with a lot of like personality to make unique ads. Because I'm not sure if you've seen this unique doesn't make it work meme. Yeah, just because you're unique does not mean you're useful, but it definitely will get attention. So try 50-50, right? Try to implement what works, but also give your campaign your uniqueness, because uniqueness will not make it work, but it will get attention, and this is what you need on social media. You need to get people's attention. Create a personal swipe file. Whenever you see a great landing page, save it in your swipe file. So whenever you're creating for yourself, you'll have hundreds of inspiration. How do I keep a swipe file? Let me show you. I think I have a very, very good way to do so. So right now I'm working on these YouTube videos, right? And I'm trying to keep a good library of thumbnails that worked. So I use an application called Freeform. So if I go on Freeform and if I open my Freeform, you're gonna see a bunch of like swipe ideas. When I'm brainstorming a new offer, this is some of my swipes. So I have the landing page, I have the checkout page. I usually say how much it costs, and this is just how I'm brainstorming new ideas for new products. And I believe it's like a very, very good approach. I'm gonna show my swipe for YouTube. If I open my YouTube swipe, you're gonna see that I have a lot of thumbnails idea, a lot of videos idea. So if I scroll, you're gonna see that I have a lot of ideas, and I use Freeform. This is the app on Mac OS. If you are on Windows, you can use an app that is called Miro. I think Miro will do the same job. You'll be able to create some of those swipes. What you can use as well would be to use Canva and just like keep screenshots within a draw. So I think it's like very, very good to have a visual board of swipe files. Another good place to search for swipe would be the Facebook ads library. So if you go to the Facebook ads library, you're gonna find a lot of ideas in your niche. So here I'm just gonna quickly show you. If you go to the Facebook ads library, you can search for, let's see that Charlie Morgan is one of my competitors, and I can see the ads that he's running. I can scroll the ads based on status. So when I'm doing the ads, I usually wanna check only active ads, and I'm gonna see ads that started running on August 8th. So those are the most recent ads. So this guy is running a lot of ads, and the earliest he's running these ads for quite a lot of time, from 1st of December until 10th of August 2024. So a lot of time, almost 2 years it will happen, or almost a year. I cannot really calculate it. My brain doesn't work like this. I'm making this video. So this is the first swipe idea you can get, and there is this website called Swipe Worthy. It's an old school direct response marketing place. So if you go to swipe.com, it's called Swipe Worthy, and here you can search for different types of ads. For example, you can check the niches, and just let me open something. For example, let's see. This is an ad that run back in the day, and this guy is also like analyzing what is happening, how is it performing. So it's by Mike Shower or whatever is his name. So yeah, this will be the idea. And let me see. Stem cells research reveals a secret, and just by reading these ads, you can get a lot of ideas for your own campaign. And this is like an amazing. This 27-year-old is disrupting a 300 billion industry. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And you can just like click for. I think now you have to pay, but you get a lot of like swipe ideas. Remove the fear of losing money. If you want to scale, you'll lose money initially in testing new audiences, but those tests will allow you to scale. It's like you're investing for your future returns, and I agree with this guy. No matter how good you are, running ads, no matter how like experienced you are, no matter I don't care even if you're the smartest person in the world. When running ads, you're always gonna lose money regardless of your experience, regardless of your offer. Even if you have like the best offer in the world, you'll still be losing money some days. So the way you should think about it, you invest some money into Facebook ads, you optimize, you invest some more, you optimize until you get profitable return on investment. So this is how to make 5K per day. It was like somehow very technical advice, somehow important, very important advice actually. Just because I'm making this video, I'm saying that this advice is important. I think like 80% of your results will come from your offer, how your offer is positioning, your average order value, your funnel, your overall marketing strategy. This will be very, very important. But without the 20% of Facebook ads, nobody will see this offer and you won't be able to scale it. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to support my channel. Check the links in the description below. My name is Niko. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.